this is Chef Shay, and today I thought it would be fun to make some lamb samosas, and we're going to be using two of my DiivineKuizine products. One is the sugar spice, and you'll see how that will be worked into the lamb meat, a little bit of it for a little sweetness, and also it has those cinnamon and that cardamom and some of those good warm spices. And for dipping, we'll use the DiivineKuizine remoulade sauce for the dipping of them. So let's go ahead and make, this is going to be a very easy way to make lamb samosas. So let's get started. Okay, so we're getting ready to make the seasoning mixture that I'm gonna put on the lamb to give it. So just watch me, we're gonna dump everything into the blender and then we'll have some spices as well as that we'll season the lamb meat with. But this is gonna be the mixture that I'm going to put together for the lamb meat. Onions, jalapeno pepper, parsley, mint, we have some thyme, rosemary, and 2 green onions. And I use grapeseed oil, so we'll have some grapeseed oil, but you can use olive oil or whatever your oil of choice is. And put about a tablespoon of that in there, and then we're just gonna blend all this together. Like that, we're going to go ahead and season on our lamb all those herbs that we blended together. So I have grapeseed oil, so I'm putting a little bit of grapeseed oil in there. Now my pan is warm, or my pan is hot, so now I'm just putting the ground lamb meat in the pan, and I'm going to chop it up and let it brown. Put the potatoes in now. The green seasoning that we made with all our spices and herbs. So we're gonna combine our green seasoning with our lamb meat and our potatoes. So here you'll drain some of the oil out of the pan to get some of that excess oil out. So you add a teaspoon of turmeric. You add a teaspoon of curry powder. Teaspoon of cumin. Teaspoon of masala powder. Half a teaspoon of DiivineKuizine sugar spice, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Then mix all your spices together with your potato and lamb mixture. Now add your green peas to the mixture and stir. Okay, y'all, so we got our lamb potato mixture. I let it cool off in the refrigerator so it's not just so hot. So we have that mixture, so now we're getting ready to put our samosas together and fry them. Okay, y'all, so you can use you can make your own, or you can get different types of rails like phyllo or phyllo wrappers, or you can use spring roll wrappers. I have the Gonzalo wrappers. Usually you use these for dumplings, but I'm gonna go ahead and use them to work just as well for samosas. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water around the edges, like so. You don't want to put a lot in the mixture. And these are kind of small, so, and then I'm just gonna take it like this and press it together. And there's different techniques that you can use, but I'm gonna do it like this. And I might even put a little too much in this one. But you see, and then we're gonna fry that up. So I'm gonna do that again. Okay, so in a fryer, or I did a big pot of oil, get your oil really hot, and don't overcrowd with your samosas. Just put, make sure you don't overcrowd them, and you cook them for about 1 minute until they come to the top and are golden brown. There you have it, easy, nice golden brown lamb and potato samosas with the remoulade as a dipping sauce. Stay tuned for the review. Love y'all. So we finished our samosa slash dumplings, because I use dumpling wrappers. They're nice and crispy, our lamb. And we used our remoulade sauce and DiivineKuizine. So now I'm gonna go in for the taste, and I'm gonna dip it with DiivineKuizine remoulade sauce. So nice and crispy. And here up front. Okay. These are great. They're nice and crispy, but you know, nice and crispy. But then you have that potato, you got that lamb, you have those peas. You have a little bit of kick from the remoulade sauce. There's a little sweetness and kick into the remoulade sauce. It is so good. All the flavors work together. The herb mix that I put together really brings out all the flavors of the ground lamb, and then you taste a little bit of the cumin and the masala and the curry. I mean, it's just so good. So you can use these like how I did. It was really easy with like the dumpling wrappers, or you can also get like the spring. You can make your own, or you can get like this phyllo or spring wrappers, and you can make them more into like squares like you see samosas. But these are a must make. They're easy. You can make them ahead of time, put them in the freezer, take them out and deep fry them. But the recipe will be on at DiivineKuizine.com. So what do you think about the lamb samosa deep fried dumpling?
This shit busting. Excuse my language. But it's good. But like that mixture with the crispiness and the mixture with the remoulade sauce, give it like a little sweet, spicy. This is good.
So y'all heard it, not just from me, from someone else.